Hey guys, now we're gonna do some reggaeton choreography. If you need help with any of these moves, check out my reggaeton drills video. It will help. Okay, let's get started. All right, feel the beat first. Bounce the knees. All right, bring your knee in. Yep. Keep going. Single knee, single knee. Other side, make it quicker. Good. Now we're gonna go 1, 2, quick and. Yes? So you go 1 and 2 and 3 and. Try it again. 1 and 2 and 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. In, out, in, out, in, out. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3. Stay here. As you turn your knee out, that's gonna send your body into the snake. Yes? And push all the way to close. Slow with the music and the counts. Ready? Here we go. You have 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So drag that in 7, 8. Try it again slow. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, pull it, 7, 8. Faster. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 5, 6, 7, let's go. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, pull, 7, 8. Again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Now that we're here, we're gonna open our knees. Stay low, stay on the balls of your feet. Do it faster. Swing the arms. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Same knees. Now roll your chest at the same time. So as my knees open, my chest comes forward. Yes? Good. So 2 arm swings, 2 chest rolls. Okay? Let's try just that part. 6, 7, let's go. 1, 2, roll 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, let's go. 1, 2, roll 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Add it on. Let's go slow. 2, 4 with counts. 6, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull it in. 7. Close. 8. Swing. 1, 2, chest. 3, 4. Okay, let's try it. Ready, go. And 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull. 7, 8. Swing. 1, 2, chest. 3, 4. Do it again. Let's go. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Swing. 1, 2, chest. 3, 4. One more time. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, chest. 3, 4. Woo! Good job. You should be sweating right now. If you're not, then I don't know. All right. Next, with our feet, we go down, down. Bring it up, stop it down. Up, down, up, down. Turn the body. Yeah, 1. Woo! Right, so you're and 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. So you come out from close and 5 and 6 and 7 and drop 8. So you're getting like a double chest here. So you're going and 5 and 6 and 7 and drop 8. All right? Drop on 8. Go from the swing slow. 1, 2, chest, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and drop 8. All right, from the top, slow. Ready, go. 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, close 7, 8, swing, 1, 2, chest, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and drop 8. Here we go. We're gonna do it faster. You ready? 5, 6, 7, let's go. 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Swing 1, 2, chest, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and drop. Good. Again, 5, 6, 7, let's go. 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Swing 1, 2, chest, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and drop. Okay, guys, one more time. Give it everything. Have fun, all right? 2, 5, 6, 7, let's go. 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Swing 1, 2, chest, 3, 4, and 5. Ha, ha, down. Hey, good job, you guys.